Hey, what's up guys? My name is Cherno. Welcome to weekly update number 3. So I thought I'd mix it up with the weekly updates. I'm not out of town, as you guys can see. I'm here in my office, I'm here in my room, and yeah. So I thought that I'd mix it up, right? Every week I thought that I'd use a different microphone. Just for fun, really. So today our special guest is this Shure SM58. Now, it's a very popular microphone. It's like a dynamic microphone. It's usually used for like singing and live performances, but you know, it's fine for recording. A lot of actual like artists use it for recording voice in studios as well, because they really like the sound of this thing, and also it's really strong, just does not break. So that is the Shure SM58. Let me know what you think of the sound quality. And yeah, you know, just a little like a fun bonus type thing. But yeah, this is weekly update number 3. Get excited. All right, so first of all, thank you for 8.7 thousand subscribers. Thank you. Number 2, I wanted to mention that I actually began developing the Cherno engine further. So I sort of resumed those live streams where I basically stream myself developing the Cherno engine. So for those of you who don't know, I'm going to talk a bit about the Cherno engine. So what is the Cherno engine? The Cherno engine is sort of like a framework that I really wanted to build. That it's a game engine. It's a 2D game engine, right? At least the first version of the Cherno engine is. It's a 2D game engine that that's written purely in Java, so no OpenGL, nothing, just purely Java. I might actually make an OpenGL version, but the way that I see it, like unless I'm making something 3D, I don't really need the help of OpenGL, honestly. Like, I guess it would help in slower computers, and it would definitely improve your performance, but I just don't see it necessary in creating small games. I think that pure Java is fine for that, and also it's actually really fun to do that. But yeah, so Cherno engine. The reason I wanted to make the Cherno engine is because I wanted to provide you guys with like some sort of framework, really, to basically aid you, I guess, in making games. But not only that, but I also had this idea a long time ago, just to make not that long ago, but I had this idea to actually make just small like videos that weren't related in like a series or anything. It's not like a show, but just one-off videos where I would just demonstrate one like thing or one technique or one tip that I want to give to you guys that will really help you out in game development. And the thing is, like, I didn't really want to start from scratch with Java, because like if I want to show you one tip, I feel like I need to write like 1,000 lines of code to actually get the game to a point where I can actually demonstrate this tip. You know what I mean? But like, if I've already got the framework, I could be like, all right, guys, here's the Cherno engine, download it, unzip it, put it into your project, utilize it, and then I'll show you this technique by using 20 lines of code, which is what the technique actually is. So in other words, I won't have to start from scratch. I can just make you guys a video, and yeah, and you guys would know exactly what, and it would focus exactly on the thing that I wanted to teach you guys, instead of having to start from scratch every time I wanted a new tip. So that's sort of where the idea originated from. And also, it'd be pretty sick, like making a game engine that you guys could use, that would really help you out as well. And it would really be like a higher level place to start. Wouldn't be really low level. So that's good. That's good. So yeah, that is the Cherno engine. Third. This is the third thing, isn't it? Third thing I wanted to say was in regards to the actual live streams for the Cherno engine. So I've sort of been streaming. I want to stream them once a week, right? Instead of an episode of game programming, I want to have a live stream that day that goes maybe 1 to 2 hours, somewhere around that. And so I did one on last Friday, so 2 days ago, Friday night. So Friday night, Australian Eastern Daylight Time, which was pretty cool. Videos on demand. I'll talk a bit about live streams in a minute, but I did that, and that was awesome. But yeah, I'll do that probably Friday nights. A lot of people ask me to move it to Saturday night, but I don't know. I might actually do that, because that would be kind of convenient, because then that would mean the game programming episodes would be 5 times a week, like Monday to Friday. So from Monday to Friday nights, Australian Eastern Daylight Time, a new episode of game programming would come out, and then Saturday would be a Cherno engine live stream, and Sunday would be well, what's on Sunday? What's on Sunday? Weekly update is on Sunday. That's what's on Sunday. This would be on Sunday. So yeah, that's sort of, I don't know, I might do that. I have a tendency to actually go out and do stuff with friends of mine. So that's why I guess that's what it depends. If I've got like somewhere to go Saturday night or Friday night, like one of them, I might just reschedule the live stream to be, you know, the one that I'm not out for. So yeah. As far as live streams work, a lot of people are very concerned about live streams. First of all, Germany. I did not know so many people watch my videos from Germany, but they do, because I constantly get tweets every time I try and live stream. Oh, I can't watch the live stream in Germany. Now you can watch the live stream in Germany, and two, you don't really need to watch the live stream if you're in Germany. That's actually kind of sounding mean, but what I mean is every time I have a live stream, if it is on YouTube, which anything related to the Cherno project channel will be on YouTube. I never stream on Twitch if I'm doing game development stuff. All right. If there is anything to do with this channel, with the Cherno project, that stuff will be streamed on youtube.com/thechernoproject. Okay. Secondly, when I finish streaming, every time I stream on YouTube, every time I finish streaming, it takes about, depending on the length of the live stream, it takes a while to process the video, and then it automatically gets uploaded to YouTube, where you guys can watch it. Okay? And the way you can tell it's a live stream, by the way, is instead of like, you know how it says when like the video was uploaded, like it says like published on, I don't know, what's the date today? Like 13th of January 2012. You know how it says like published on 13th of January 2012? If it's a live stream, it'll actually say streamed live on 13th of January 2012. So that way, 2013, sorry. So that way you know that it's actually, it's a live stream. It's not just a video uploaded. So yeah, so don't worry. You can actually watch my live streams like when they're not live. They'll be available video on demand. All right? Sick. So people from Germany, if you can't watch my live streams because your government doesn't let you, then you can watch them when they're not live. Now, if you really do want to watch them when they're live, there is something called ProxTube. P-R-O-X Tube. ProxTube. That will actually allow, it's a plugin for Google Chrome. You can just grab that, and you can actually watch live streams in Germany if you do that. Okay? Simple as that. ProxTube. Install that plugin for Google Chrome. It might be for Firefox as well. I'm not sure. I don't use Firefox, but if you use that plugin for Google Chrome, then every time you come to something that's blocked in your country, it'll actually unblock it. I even use it for some things because there are some videos on YouTube that are actually blocked in Australia. So yeah, I use ProxTube and that unblocks it. It also unblocks live streams. So yeah, that's awesome. But other than that, that's pretty much all I have to say about live streams. All right, so the fourth thing is DayZ. I've been getting into DayZ, and I love it. I've actually been told about DayZ like everyone's just been talking to me about DayZ, and it's like, I think there was another game that ran around kind of like League of Legends really. With League of Legends, a lot of my friends like played it a lot, and I just didn't take notice of it, and then I got into it, and I really, really enjoyed it, and I just had an awesome time. So it's like kind of the thing. I actually haven't played League of Legends in like half a year, honestly. I don't know why. I went to Germany for a while and I couldn't really play it there, and then when I came back to Australia, I just didn't really want to play it again. There've been like 10 new champions since I've played. But anyway, DayZ. So I guess kind of same thing with DayZ. I really I started watching Frankie on PC in 1080p playing DayZ, and he's just such a nice guy, by the way. Frankie on PC in 1080p. If you like gaming videos and you haven't checked him out and you like PC gaming, check him out. He's just, oh, I love that guy, man. He's awesome. So yeah, check him out. But I started watching his DayZ videos, and then I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna grab DayZ. So I bought Armor 2. Actually, I bought Armor 2 a while before I bought. This is actually kind of an interesting story. I bought Armor 2 like 3 weeks before I downloaded DayZ. DayZ's free, obviously. But I bought Armor 2 Combined Operations because it was like on a Steam sale. It was like half price or something. Got the whole thing for like $15. It's like $30 if you want to buy both of them now. But yeah, I got it for like $15, and then like a few weeks later, I'm like, I'm gonna get DayZ. So I downloaded DayZ, got that recently, and yeah, and it's really cool. So if you guys haven't checked out DayZ, it's a good way to, it's a good thing to check out. It's basically like a survival game. It's a really realistic survival game in a zombie apocalypse. And there are other players who will potentially kill you, or you can kill them. But the coolest thing you can do is tell them to put their hands up, drop their weapon, and take them hostage. or work together with them. You know, that's another thing I guess you could do if you really want to. But yeah, if there's any people out there who play DayZ, especially if you're in Australia and you want to like form like a group with me and we could just chill out, survive basically, and dominate the servers, then go ahead, add me on Skype, add me on the Cherno project. So just the thing will be in the description, but it's literally the Cherno project. That's like my fan Skype. So but if you want to play DayZ with me and you're in Australia, then when you're sending the contact request, just tell me that I'm from Australia, I want to play DayZ with you. That's it. And then I'll know. If anyone else wants to add me on Skype, I guess you can, but just say hi or something. Don't tell me that you're from Australia and you want DayZ, because don't lie, basically. If you just want to be on if you just want to have me on Skype, then you can do that, I guess. It's not really a big deal. It's my fan Skype, so I guess that's what it's for, right? But that's the Cherno project. So yeah, hope to see some of you guys around, and maybe we can play some DayZ, because it's awesome. And none of my friends seem to have computers that can run it. Like I've got like I've literally got two friends, two close friends, who they're not even close friends. That's mean, isn't it? Saying that's mean. It's like Facebook. Facebook has like a close friends list, and I'm like, dude, like if I add someone to that, that's gonna be real, like kind of a dick move, don't you think? Like, whoa. It's like, no, you're still my friend, but I don't like you as much as this guy. Like, what? Anyway, point is, two of my friends, two of my close friends, they've got good computers and they can run DayZ. But everyone else, like, usually they don't really. They've got like laptops. So Arma 2 requires a big computer, a big main machine. Anyway, that's pretty much going to wrap up this weekly update. Hope you enjoyed it. Minecraft server, been having a lot of trouble with that thing. I recently exceeded my disk quota, so I got onto their multiplayer's 24/7 support, live chat support. First time I tried to get on it, Friday night, it was offline. Their 24/7 support was offline. But Saturday, luckily, they were online. Got onto them. I asked them, this error message keeps popping up every time I start my server. I try to start my server because it just doesn't start. Instead, it tells me that I've exceeded my disk quota and like a big error message. And he's like, no problem, I'll up your disk quota, but just make sure you need to control the size of your safe, of your world, basically. So basically, he's sort of asking you guys to not go out too far, because if you go out too far, it's not going to work. But other than that, FTB just keeps crashing. That's nothing to do with me, nothing to do with multiplayer. It's to do with the FTB code. So I don't even know, guys. Like, if this keeps happening until they stabilize it, like, I'm even considering that if this really keeps happening and the server's like offline for as long as it is online, we might take a vote and actually just go to vanilla Minecraft, honestly. Because I don't know, maybe you guys would like vanilla Minecraft server instead of FTB. You can't have both, because unfortunately it does cost money. Although a few of you guys have been generous enough to donate. I didn't even announce that people can donate, because I don't really want to seem like I'm taking money from you. But if you guys want a vanilla Minecraft server instead of FTB, let me know, and maybe it'll be a top comment conveniently. Someone asked me to talk about something last week. I think it was something to do with LWJGL. That was like the top comment. I kind of ran out of time. But as far as LWJGL on this channel goes, there's a guy called The Coding Universe. Check him out. He's pretty cool. I have talked to him on Skype and stuff, so we do kind of know each other. We acknowledge each other's existence. But yeah, no, he's really cool to check out. He doesn't really post that often though. Not as often as me. I guess that's probably has something to do with, his life being busy. My life is really busy actually, but I finished school, so hey. But anyway, the point is, check him out. He makes some pretty damn good videos, but also as far as LWJGL on this channel goes, I don't know, like I don't know, maybe in the future, like, because I really don't want to balance two series at once. I'm trying to do that with 3D game programming. But other than that, like, I don't know. We'll see. I'm actually, that's actually, no, I won't go there. But anyway, that's gonna wrap up this weekly update number 3. Next time we'll talk about some other stuff. So next time, maybe you guys can leave a topic for me to talk about next time, and I'll talk about that next time. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and the favorite button. and the subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'm sorry, I'm just trying to think of like another button you guys can click to help me out, but you know. Anyway, that's it. So I'm gonna go back to playing DayZ, and I'll see you guys later.